Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable Gyroscope on Modern Combat 5 Blackout. Enabling Gyroscope in Modern Combat 5 can significantly improve your aim by letting you control movement with subtle tilts of your device. So here is how you can do it. Launch open your Modern Combat 5 Blackout game on your device first, and then tap on the drop down at the top right corner from the home page. Now from the expanded menu, choose the gear icon and this will pop open the settings menu. Inside settings, tap on controls. After you're in this adjust control page, go ahead and flip the page by tapping the arrow on the right, and once you end up in this page, simply turn on the gyroscope option. Tap on the switch right under gyroscope and turn it on. And right after you do that, you can go back and get to this front page of the adjust control and then adjust the gyroscope's sensitivity according to your preference. After fine-tuning the sensitivity of gyroscope, exit the settings menu by tapping back at the bottom left and then get back to the game, and that way you will be able to enable gyroscope, from which aiming becomes smoother and more responsive. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.